Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers today again pictures of more Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have been shared from Tigray Defense Force. You can see this picture on your screen. These pictures can be seen that hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are under the control of Tigray Defense Force, who have been captured by Tigray Defense Force near Ibnath during the ongoing war. Viewers, according to Tigray Defense Force, the heavy war between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is going on. As I have already informed you that these Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are less trained. They have not yet received so much training that they can fight in the battlefield, that they surrender in the battlefield as soon as they arrive. Viewers, and also in yesterday's video, I informed you that Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have destroyed the Eritrean commandos who were trying to enter the Tigray region from the Afar region, and several Eritrean commandos have reportedly been killed and several commandos have been arrested and brought to the Tigray region. And now a picture has been shared from Tigray Defense Force sources. You can see this picture on your screen, in which Eritrean commandos can be seen. A statement from Tigray Defense Force regarding this picture says it is the Eritrean commandos who have been captured and brought to the Tigray region. Viewers, fighting has been intensifying between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force. And Tigray forces claim significant success in southeastern Gondar, saying they captured several areas of Ibnath. On the other hand, government forces and their allies say they have won a big victory in the northwestern region of Volo, saying they have gained full control over Imbessal and Vagaltina. Viewers, Imbessal and Vagaltina is situated near Valdia and Marsa in Amhara region. and claiming that they are superior to the Tigray Defense Force in this front. And in northern Gondar, fighting between Tigrayan forces and the allied government is on the rise. And there are reports that Ethiopia has closed the embassy in Ireland. Ethiopia has closed some of its embassies in Europe and Asia in recent months. And the reasons for closing the embassy are lack of money. Viewers, now in country's view of the situation, the first minister of Ethiopian government gave his resignation letter to Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. Shortly ago, Women, Children and Youth Minister said in a statement that I have submitted my resignation as Minister of Women, Children and Youth. And here are some important points of the reason given in the given letter. Viewers said that taking the helm of barely functioning ministry which had limited human resources and was without the budget to deliver tangible result felt like a setup for failure. However, I can proudly say that in just over a year, we have made great strides despite the odds and challenges. And we have revitalized the Ministry of re-engaging stakeholders and international partners and developed a solid 10-year plan to build new institutions, mechanisms and policies that I hope will make a difference in the lives of Ethiopian women, children and youth. And implementing the above mentioned plans and initiatives will promote the rights and well-being of our women, children and youth, which has been long overdue. And now, more than ever, it's even more at this critical juncture in our country. After giving much thoughts and consideration to our recent conservation on several national and institutional issues, in particular the Ministry of Women, Children and Youth. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.